What's up guys? Apple released iOS 13.5.5 Beta 1 after releasing iOS 13.5.1 for the developers. We are going to take a look at what's new, the bugs, the performance, and the battery life. Some people of course didn't get iOS 13.5.1, and that's for a very good reason, because if you were on the developer profile, you would not get that one. But now we know why, since iOS 13.5.5 was released today. So starting off with the update size, it came in at about 4.17 gigabytes on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is of course common when going from a released build, a public release, to a beta again, so the update size will be big on all the devices where you want to update. So if we head over into settings and general and the about section, we can see that we're running 17G5035D. So the D at the end means that we'll be for sure getting quite a few more betas down the road. If we head a little lower, we can see that the modem firmware is 1.06.00, which remains unchanged from the previous version, at least on the iPhone 11 series. So what about the changes? There don't seem to be any changes or differences after reading all the release notes and just looking through the entire system. It was probably released to patch the jailbreak, as they already did in iOS 13.5 Beta 1, so in iOS 13.5.5 Beta 1, they do the same. It was also probably released to fix some bugs from the previous version and add some security enhancement, as just make the whole system better. So there are no physical changes or features that you can actually see, but I believe the performance will be the main change in this version. So it feels much smoother when going through the phone, multitasking is much smoother, so of course everything feels much better. In Geekbench scores, I also saw an increase in multi-core performance coming from iOS 13.5, so definitely expect performance changes here. It'll probably be getting also faster, mainly due to iOS 14 being just around the corner. Regarding battery life, I really didn't have any problems with battery life in this version and in the previous 13.5. Of course, then it depends on how much you use your phone and what you do on the phone, but it was really quite good for me. So don't expect any significant upgrades to battery life in this update, since you're already so far down the line in iOS 13. So what is this update? So the update is probably mainly for bug fixes, security enhancements, and overall performance increases. I will be using this version over the next few days to really see if I can't find something new, or if I don't find any bugs or some of the bugs that are fixed. Further, we might not be seeing another beta next week, but maybe in 2 weeks, but that all depends on what will be the release cycle for this beta. So expect maybe one on the 9th or on the 16th or on the 8th or the 15th. So should you update? Well, it is never good to update to the first beta of a new version, but here I don't find anything against not updating. Of course, it is a 0.5.5 update, which means there won't be any significant changes that could lead to bugs or anything, just like a worse performance or worse battery life. If you are on the developer profile, then yeah, just go ahead and update. There probably won't be anything wrong. At least you'll be running the most recent version. Of course, it might fix some of your bugs and just increase your performance of the device. Well, this is it for iOS 13.5.5 Beta 1, which came after 13.5.1. The public beta will of course be getting this update soon as well, so stay tuned for that. Also, if you are ready for iOS 14 coming in about 20 days, then let me know in the comments down below about your favorite leaked feature or about a feature that you'd love to see. If you enjoyed the video, then please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay notified when I release my next video. Also, if you missed my previous video, then please go ahead, click the card shown up there. Okay, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.